So this is the first screen, and I have started the NVIDIA DGX Spark. So set up your NVIDIA DGX Spark, US English and UTC. I think UTC is fine. So I'll just continue over there. And then layout is fine as well. I'll leave it to default. This is the terms of use, and I have read the term of use, hopefully, and accept. Username is username is Sayam, and then the super secret password that I'm entering over here. Confirm and continue. Set up your DGX Spark. So I'm okay with sending some amount of analytics and usage data. Continue. Connect to the Wi-Fi. So I'll now connect with the available network. Password. So joining the Wi-Fi network. Updating the DGX Spark. So after the update, it is restarting. So now it's time to log into the DGX Spark, entering the password. And here you go. This is the first screen for the NVIDIA DGX Spark. And it comes with the DGX OS, which is built on top of Ubuntu 22.4, I think so. So they have some stuff which is already there. So I'm happy with what is there with NVIDIA DGX Spark. This is what it opens up. And now we'll try to tinker around with NVIDIA DGX Spark. Let's go.